In this video, we'll look at a couple of more questions that deal with mortgage payments. John and David are going to borrow €200,000 to buy a house. It's a 25-year term and the AER is 3%. So like Financial Maths 4, we look at what happens if they pay annually, which is very unusual in mortgage payments. Monthly is more common, and we look at the difference here between the annual, it should be very small, and the monthly. So how much will they pay annual? So just write down your terms. I is equal to 0.03. P is equal to 200,000. And 1 plus I, the third term that we need, is obviously going to be 1.03. The formula, the amount that you pay back, is based on the amount that you borrow, P, times I, times 1 plus I to the power of T, all over 1 plus I to the power of T minus 1. So filling this information in, we get the amount is equal to 200,000 by 0.03 by 1.03 to the power of 25, because they're paying annually. Do that line first and then divide your answer by 1.03 to the power of 25 and put all of that in one big bracket, otherwise it'll take the 1 away at the wrong point. So the amount here that we're going to pay back on a yearly basis is 11,485.57. Make sure you check this answer on your calculator twice. Now what about it monthly? We have this 3%, but it's 1.03 to the power of 1 over 12, which is the same amount that we had in Financial Maths 4, the same percentage. That's going to give me 1.00246627. So we're going to have the same formula. So we're going to have the amount paying back is going to be 200,000 by I, which is 0.00246627, by 1 plus I, 1.00246627 to the power of 25 by 12, again 300. Monthly payments, all divided by 1.00246627 to the power of 300 minus 1 in one big bracket. And if we type this into our calculator and double check it, we are going to get €944 and 22 cents. And if we multiply that by 12 to see what the annual repayments would be, we're going to get 11,330.64. Very similar to 11,485. Now, third part of this question, let's change the interest rate here from 3% to 4% and see how much this mortgage repayment jumps by. So I'm going to change it 4% now. So 1.04 to the power of 1 over 12 is equal to 1.00327,374. So the amount that I'm going to pay back is 200,000 by I, which is just 0.00327,374, by 1 plus I, which is 1.00327,374 to the power of 300. We're looking at monthly, all divided by 1.00327,374 to the power of 300. And again, put these in the same bracket when you're dividing by them. So the amount on a 4% interest, if we type this into a calculator, is 1047.79, 1047.79. So how much extra are we paying here? Take away 944.22, and we're going to get 103.57, 103.57 extra with that extra interest rate. So you can see here, over the course of 300 payments, it's going to be a lot of money. So make sure you get the best interest rate when you go to buy your house. Let's have a look at one more annually and monthly and see can we See the difference between the two? 450,000. APR 5.2% over 15 years. We look at annually. So N or T is equal to 15. And monthly 15 by 12 is equal to 180 payments. So the amount we're going to pay back is equal to 450 by I, which is 0.052 by 1.052 to the power of 15, all divided by 1.052 to the power of 15 minus 1. And we type that into a calculator. Our answer is going to give us 43,942. 43,942, and round that off to 0.09. So that's an annual repayment. Monthly, let's look at what the monthly would be. 1.052 to the power of 1 over 12. That's going to give me 1.00, always 42333. 4233362. So my amount to pay back, it's the principal, 450 by I, which is the 0.004233362 by 1 plus that, 0.0423332 to the power of 180. 180, all divided by 1.004233362 to the power of 180 minus 1. And we type this into our calculator. It's going to give me 3577.36, and if we multiply that by 12, we're going to get 42,928. 42,928.33. So you're saving just over €1,000 by paying it back monthly.